Hey there, future moneymakers! Are you ready to learn how you can start earning cash online with absolutely zero investment? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your knowledge into a paycheck by becoming an online tutor. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're a math genius, a science enthusiast, or a language lover, there are students out there who need your expertise. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive into some of the top platforms where you can start tutoring today. Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors. These sites connect you with students who need help in various subjects. But how do you get started? It's simpler than you think. Here are the steps to kick off your online tutoring journey. Sign up. Create an account on Tutor.com or Chegg Tutors. Create a profile. Highlight your strengths, qualifications, and subjects you can teach. Pass the tests. Many platforms require you to take a subject proficiency test. Don't worry, it's to ensure you can provide quality tutoring. Start tutoring. Once approved, you can start accepting students and scheduling sessions. Remember, consistency is key. The more sessions you complete, the better reviews you'll get and the more students you'll attract. Plus, it's a fantastic way to sharpen your own knowledge while helping others succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of online tutoring and start making money without spending a single cent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment with any other online tutoring tips you have, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online with no investment. Thanks for watching and happy tutoring!